In this in-depth tutorial, we'll guide you through the comprehensive setup process of Internet Download Manager, IDM, an indispensable tool for managing and accelerating your downloads. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this video will equip you with the knowledge and skills to optimize your downloading experience. Setup process. Explained. Accessing the official IDM website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official IDM website at www.internetdownloadmanager.com. Upon reaching the website, you'll find information about IDM's features, pricing, and download options. Downloading IDM. Look for the download button prominently displayed on the website's homepage. Click on the button to initiate the download process. IDM provides various download options, including the choice between the 30-day trial version and the full version. Select the appropriate download option based on your preference and click to start the download. Installing IDM. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded IDM installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard to install IDM on your system. During the installation process, you may be prompted to choose the installation directory and select additional components to install. Make your selections accordingly and proceed with the installation. Activating IDM. After successfully installing IDM, you'll need to activate it using a valid serial key. If you've purchased IDM, you should have received a serial key via email or provided on the purchase confirmation page. Enter the serial key when prompted during the activation process. If you're using the trial version of IDM, you can choose to purchase a serial key to unlock the full version. Alternatively, some users opt to use cracks or patches to bypass activation, although this may not be legal in all regions. Interface overview. Upon activation, launch IDM from your desktop or Start menu. Take a moment to explore the IDM interface, which consists of various sections such as the download queue, categories, scheduler, and more. Familiarize yourself with the layout and functionality of each section, as they will be instrumental in managing your downloads effectively. Customizing settings. Click on the Options or Settings button in the IDM interface to access the Settings menu. Here, you can customize various aspects of IDM to suit your preferences and requirements. Explore options related to download preferences, connection settings, file types, and integration with web browsers. Browser integration. IDM offers seamless integration with popular web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and others. During the installation process, ensure that the browser integration option is enabled to allow IDM to capture download links directly from your browser. This integration simplifies the downloading process by enabling you to initiate downloads directly from your browser window. Optimizing download speeds. One of IDM's key features is its ability to accelerate download speeds significantly. IDM achieves this by splitting files into multiple segments and downloading them simultaneously, thereby maximizing bandwidth utilization. You can further optimize download speeds by adjusting connection settings within the IDM options menu. Using IDM for efficient downloads. With IDM fully set up and configured, you're ready to start downloading files with ease. Simply navigate to a web page containing the file you wish to download and click on the download link. IDM will automatically intercept the download and initiate the downloading process. Monitor your downloads in the IDM interface, where you can pause, resume, prioritize, or cancel downloads as needed. Exploring advanced features. IDM offers a range of advanced features designed to enhance your downloading experience. Explore features such as the scheduler, which allows you to schedule downloads for specific times to optimize bandwidth usage. The Site Grabber feature enables you to download entire websites for offline viewing, including all linked content. Additionally, IDM includes a built-in virus scan feature to ensure that downloaded files are safe and secure. Conclusion. By following this detailed setup guide, you've successfully installed, activated, and configured Internet Download Manager to suit your specific needs. With its powerful features and intuitive interface, IDM will revolutionize the way you download files from the internet, allowing for faster, smoother, and more efficient downloads. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.